Now that we're done with answering the cash receipts and the cash disbursements, which are now reflected in our basic format for the cash budget, let's proceed in answering the cash budget as a whole. So here's the problem. The CEO of XYZ Corporation has enough cash to pay off 500,000 peso loan by the end of 2022. At the end of 2019, the expected cash balance is around 50,000. Because of predicted sales growth, the company aims to maintain a minimum cash balance of 150,000 for 2022. So the CEO of XYZ company wants to know if it has enough money to pay off a 500,000 peso loan by the end of 2022. So here's the general format for the cash budget. You will first start with the company name, which is XYZ Corporation, followed by cash budgets and the date for the year ending December 31, 2022. Then the quarter 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have the cash receipts, which is now reflected. Cash disbursements, which is now reflected. Now the net cash flow, which is the cash receipts minus cash disbursements. And the beginning cash, which is net cash flow, beginning cash, which is given in the problem, and ending cash balance, which is the net cash flow minus beginning cash. Then we have minimum cash balance, which is also given, and excess cash balance, which is ending cash balance minus minimum cash balance. So let's start answering. So in answering the cash budget, I suggest that you answer by quarter. So you first complete quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. So let's start with quarter 1. So what is the net cash flow for quarter 1? So the net cash flow for quarter 1 is cash receipts minus cash disbursements. So we have 1,109,000 minus 942,800. So we have 167,000. Now let's add the beginning cash, which is given. We have the beginning cash of 50,000, which is the cash from the previous quarter, which is the quarter 4 of 2021. Now we have to solve for the ending cash balance, which is net cash flow plus beginning cash. 7,000 plus 50,000. We have 217,000. Next is the minimum cash balance, which is 150,000 for each quarter. Next is excess cash balance, which is ending cash balance minus minimum cash balance. So we have 217,000 minus 150,000, which is 67,000. So the excess cash balance for quarter 1 is 67,000. Now for quarter 2, we have 1,027,000 minus 1,032,800. Minus 1 million, which is total 254,200. Now for the beginning cash. So where do we get the beginning cash for quarter 2? So we will get the beginning cash of quarter 2 from the ending cash balance of the previous quarter. So the ending cash balance of quarter 1 is 270,000. So 217,000 will be the beginning cash of quarter 2. 15,000. Now we will add net cash flow and beginning cash, which is 254,200 plus 217,000, which is 471,200. Now for the minimum cash balance, which is also 150,000. So ending cash balance minus minimum cash balance 471,200 plus I minus 150,000 minus 150,000 equals to 321,200. So the ending cash balance for quarter 2 is 321,200. Now let's proceed to quarter 3. So we have 1,387,000 minus 1,112,800. Which is 259,000. So we have the net cash flow, and the beginning cash for quarter 3 is the ending cash of quarter 2, which is 471,200. So net 459,000 plus 471,200 equals to 730,200. Now for the minimum cash balance of 150,000 minus 730,200. We have 580,200 as the excess cash for quarter 3. Now lastly, let's proceed to the quarter 4. So 1,487,000 minus 1,682,000, which totals to negative 205,000. Now for the beginning cash of quarter 4, we will get it from the ending cash of quarter 3, which is 730,200. So to negative 25,000 plus 730,200 equals to 525,200 minus the minimum cash balance of 150,000 equals to 375,200. So that's it. Now we are done in answering for the cash budget. So let's have a quick recap. So the cash receipts and cash disbursement is already solved by us earlier. The net cash flow is the cash receipts minus cash disbursements. Beginning cash for the quarter 1 is already given by the problem, and the beginning cash balance of quarter 2 is the ending cash balance of quarter 1, and so on. And the ending cash balance is net cash flow plus beginning cash, and the minimum cash balance is already given by the problem, and the excess cash balance is ending cash balance minus minimum cash balance. So that's all. Thank you.
Fuck you.